So today I want to talk to you a little bit about ants. You know, the kind where you get 10,000 little ants. It looks like a black spot on your lawn or your driveway or right next to your the edge of your lawn, and you look closely and there's just tens of thousands of them. Well, I'm going to show you today how to take care of those. So what you'll need is some borax and some sugar, and you'll also need a little cotton ball, and I'll show you two different ways you can use those to get rid of the ants. Here's the borax I'm going to use, just available in most grocery stores, and just a couple of bucks, and you can use it with your laundry, and you can also use it to kill ants. Now that you've got the borax in, you just need to put a spoonful of sugar. Makes the ants go away. So you've got the borax, and this is like a tablespoon. Just going to put some of that in there, and once that's in there, I want to just crush it a little bit to make it so it's just a little bit smaller grains, so the ants can carry it. And supposedly, with the sugar in there, the ants will pick it up, and the borax, the sugar and the borax, and they'll take it down and feed it to the queen. So hopefully it will get rid of all the ants without having to use poison. I'm not going to put all this down there. I'm going to leave some of it so it can just be here in case there's another group. We had some come up in one spot, and then they disappeared, then they came up in another spot. We'll go see if we can take care of all the spots. So here's the ants. It was just thick black here a little while ago, but I'm just going to get a little bit and spread a little bit along here. Don't have to use much. Just spread it out and let them take it back in their hole, and we'll see if they come back. That's probably too much. Anyway, let's leave them at it and let them see what happens. They came out in force, just a little ways away from all the stuff I put down. So I'm going to put a little bit more right in the frenzy zone. Pretty amazing how many ants you can get in one spot. Thousands of them. Oh, checking it out. Looks like there's some ants, but most of the holes are empty of ants. There are a few ant holes, but most of it looks like it may have worked. There are a few new holes here and a few ants down here, but most of the borax and sugar is gone. So I'm going to count that a win. So the cotton ball method is you get the ground up sugar and the borax in the bowl, put some water in the bowl, and mix the borax and the sugar up, and then you soak it up with a cotton ball, and then you put that wet cotton ball by the ants, and the ants will be attracted to the sweetness. With the water, they'll come and get some of that too, and they'll take it back and hopefully kill the queen and kill the whole hive. If that helped, give me a like and subscribe, and leave any comments down below about what else you'd like to see, or anything that's worked for you or anything that hasn't worked. Thanks for watching.